All right, first grade friends, here we go. We are going to have music class with Mrs. Lassig. And here we are in the music room. And we are going to work on We're All in This Together song, which is perfect for right now. We really are all on a big adventure together. And I keep hearing people say this all over. So it's the perfect song for us to sing. And here we go. We're going to work on the chorus part. We're going to do the part you already know, and then the extended chorus. I'm going to teach you the next two parts. So do this part with me. We're all in this together once we know that we are. We're all stars and we see that. We're all in this together, and it shows when we stand hand in hand, make our dreams come true. So that's all it does at the beginning, but then at the end it adds two more parts to our chorus, and the first one goes like this. We're all in this together when we, and here's where it changes, reach, we can fly, know inside we can make it. So it does, I'm going to do that again, do it with me this time. We're all in this together when we reach, we can fly, know inside we can make it. And then there's one more part. It goes like this again. Of course it starts, we're all in this together once we see. So we're going to do once we see there's a chance that we have, then we take it. So it's once we see there's a chance that we have, then we take it. So putting those last two parts together, it's going to look like this. We're all in this together, and when we reach, we can fly, know inside we can make it. We're all in this together once we see there's a chance that we have, then we take it.